So we're adding the truck, pull the doors off, and the quarter of my new project. Plug this light up real quick, get a better shot. What did this plug up to? Right there. See a little better. Fuck. Got shitty lighting out here. Got to put a new rocker in. Started pulling the bed that was all pushed in. There's the doors. Junk. This is my new project.